Alright, so my look is pretty changed. I know I got my hair cut, so that vlog is also coming soon because I wasn't having so much of time. I got chicken pox. You can see spots still there all around my body. So this video is for all my foreign medical graduate friends. Guys, your career is at stake now. Trust me, your career is at stake. If you don't watch this video till very end, you are probably gonna miss very important points which NMC has made a draft about, telling all foreign medical graduates that you guys need to work hard as much as possible. All right, so let's get straight up to the video. So if you're new to this channel, you might like my further videos, you might like my older videos, just subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification. All right guys, so the first, there are three very important points just for a foreign medical graduate. And if you are an Indian medical graduate or an Indian medical student, so guys, just skip the videos, watch my other videos. This video is not for you, telling you the truth. So the first point all you foreign medical graduates must embrace in your mind is your graduation should be from the same university. There is no transfer allowed to you. All right, so I have seen students who were studying from University A and they shifted to University B by some means, I don't know. So all those type of students are now not eligible to practice in India. All right, I don't know what's gonna happen in future, but the current draft, and one more thing, this is a draft and this is for sure gonna be passed as a bill, because there were many people opposing that next examination, but it happened. So obviously these three rules are also gonna happen for foreign medical graduates. All right, so don't create a chaos or tension in your mind that all right, now we are gonna protest for this thing is not gonna happen, this is injustice to foreign medical graduates. First one, there is no transfer allowed. Second and most important thing, guys, you have only 2 years if you want to practice in India as a doctor. You just have 2 years to get your license and get settled here as a doctor. So in next examination, the licensing examination for medical graduates from outside India, you have to get through that examination in 2 years. So I guess this examination is gonna be held twice a year, if I'm not wrong. So if it is being held twice a year, then you have 4 attempts. If it is being held only 1 time a year, then you just have 2 attempts, and we can't help that thing. This thing is really very, pressurizing me. Like, trust me, guys, I'm feeling that pressure or urge to start studying from inside after this rule has been passed. I know what's gonna happen, ma'am. Your internship should be from that same university. All right, this is also included in rule number 1. So you don't have to study in University A and practice in other universities, hospitals. So all that university thing and internship thing should be from the same place. Third, and really this one is like kicking me from inside, that why they have passed such type of rule. So they have said that there will be an additional paper of pre and para clinical subjects for foreign medical graduates in next step 1. Like seriously, I don't know why they have done that, but there might be some plan behind that. So these 3 rules, guys, and please guys, for all you foreign medical graduates out there, I must request you all that guys just start working as hard as possible, because recent year MCI examinations also have turned so much on a clinical pathway, so much on a clinical pathway, and clinical questions are really not very easy. Just to tell you the truth, I've seen I'm not saying I'm a very brilliant student, I study, but I'm just an average one, not very bad, not very good, I'm just in that middle thing. So guys, these clinical questions from that MCI papers, mock questions and all those things which I've seen, they are not very easy. And next is expected to be on that post-graduation level of question. All right, so this thing is gonna be pretty difficult. And all you guys like worried that this paper is gonna be for that post-graduation thing also, so it's gonna be obviously very difficult. But it would be difficult, but just to get that license thing, there would be a percent or percentile set. I mean that you have to get just above these much of marks or this much percent, then you are just qualified for your license. So it won't be a competitive exam to get the license. It will be a threshold crossing part for a license, and obviously it's a competitive exam for post-graduation seat. So don't get worried too much, don't create too much of chaos and false information within the groups and everywhere. These three are the rules for every foreign medical graduates out there. So guys, just start burning the midnight oil, the midnight lamp, whatever you call that. So start working as much hard as possible, and best of luck. And guys, do your best for our upcoming future, our upcoming exams. And 2 years, guys, I have seen many students just in their third year of giving examination thing, and some 4 years, 5 years. I have listened. Oh shit, acidity. So one of my friends told me that his brother's friend, obviously he's very much senior now, he's a resident in some postgraduate thing, so he had qualified that MCI examination in like 5 years, and some people just qualify it in first year, some people just do it in 5 years, some just do it in 1 year, 2 years. So it varies, guys. And I will just collect the information and try to help you out with another video that how you can boost your preparation or boost yourself for your upcoming next examination, so you get your license within first 2 years. Alright guys, so that's all for this video. Hope this video helps you all, and just stay safe, stay aside, and start studying, guys. I'm also trying to push myself because from last 1 month I was sick and I had chicken pox, and for 20-25 days I was stuck in this chicken pox thing. I left workout because there's so much COVID around me. I started doing some home workout here, and that's all what has been going on in my life. And hope you all are safe, stay inside, and start studying. See you guys in another one. Till then, stay healthy, take care, and peace out. Guys, give this video a like.